Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Airtel Xstream router and connecting your laptop or phone directly. This reduces wireless interference. Once done, open a browser and enter the router IP shown on the sticker, usually 192.168.x.x, and log in with the admin credentials. You do this because the web interface exposes the 5 GHz settings. You need full access to change SSID, channel, and security. Make sure to keep the default password at hand, but plan to change it for security. You now find the Wi-Fi or wireless section and switch to the 5 GHz tab. This is where you enable the band. Next, set a clear SSID that differs from the 4 GHz name so devices choose the faster band deliberately. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 mixed security and enter a strong passphrase. This protects throughput and devices. Then select Channel Auto, or pick lower DFS channels like 36 to 48 if your environment is congested. Saving applies the changes immediately. You finish by connecting one device to the new 5 GHz SSID to confirm the link, enter the password, and note signal strength. Once connected, run a quick speed test to verify improved download and latency. 5 GHz gives more throughput but shorter range, so move closer if needed. If devices cannot see the 5 GHz network, reboot the router, toggle the band off and on, check for firmware updates, and try a different channel. These steps usually resolve visibility and interference issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.